What to consider when choosing an insurance policy. Hello and welcome to Insure Focus. In today's video, we'll guide you through what you need to know when choosing the right insurance policy. Insurance is a vital part of financial protection, but selecting the right policy can be confusing. Let's break it down and simplify the process. 1. Understand your needs. Before you start shopping for insurance, it's essential to understand what you need to protect. This will help you decide on the type of insurance that's right for you. For example, life insurance. If you have dependents, life insurance ensures they'll be financially supported if something happens to you. Auto insurance. This is a must if you own a car to cover damage, accidents, or theft. Home insurance. Essential for homeowners to protect against damage to your property or loss of personal belongings. By identifying what you need, you'll avoid paying for unnecessary coverage. 2. Types of coverage. Different insurance policies offer different types of coverage. For instance, auto insurance can include liability coverage, pays for damage to others if you're at fault in an accident. Collision coverage, pays for your car's repairs after an accident. Comprehensive coverage covers theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. For health insurance, some plans cover just basic doctor visits, while others offer more comprehensive coverage like hospital stays, surgeries, and medications. Understanding these options helps you choose the right policy for your needs. 3. Premiums and affordability. The premium is the amount you pay for your insurance, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. While lower premiums are attractive, it's essential to balance cost with coverage. A cheaper premium might offer less coverage or higher deductibles. When deciding, consider your budget. Choose a premium that you can afford without sacrificing essential coverage. Keep in mind that some policies might increase their premiums over time, so make sure you can handle future increases. Deductibles. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Higher deductibles usually mean lower premiums, but you'll need to pay more upfront if you file a claim. A lower deductible comes with a higher premium but reduces your out-of-pocket costs. Think about how much you can afford to pay in the event of a claim. If you choose a higher deductible, ensure you have enough savings to cover it. 5. Policy limits. Each policy has a limit, which is the maximum amount an insurer will pay out for a claim. Ensure the limits are high enough to fully cover potential costs. For example, if your car is severely damaged, the policy should cover the repair costs. For home insurance, the policy should cover the full cost of rebuilding your home or replacing personal belongings in case of a loss. Avoid choosing a policy with insufficient limits. 6. Exclusions and fine print. Always read the fine print. Exclusions are situations that aren't covered by the policy, like certain natural disasters or specific medical treatments. Make sure you understand what's not covered, and if necessary, add extra coverage or riders to fill in any gaps. Knowing these exclusions ensures that you're not left with unexpected expenses. 7. Customer service and reputation. The reputation of the insurer is just as important as the policy itself. Look for a provider known for excellent customer service and reliable claims processing. Check online reviews, ask friends or family about their experiences, and ensure the insurer is financially stable. A reputable insurer will handle claims efficiently and ensure that you're protected when you need it most. 8. Claims process. The claims process is crucial. Make sure it's easy to file a claim and that the provider offers support when you need it most. Some insurers make the claims process quick and hassle-free, while others may complicate matters. Look for insurers with a smooth and transparent claims process, as this can save you time and stress in the future. 9. Compare quotes. Before settling on a policy, compare quotes from different providers. Use online comparison tools or contact agents to gather quotes. This allows you to compare premiums, coverage, and benefits. Comparing multiple quotes ensures you get the best deal and coverage for your money. 10. Understand your policy. Finally, make sure you fully understand the policy terms, including the coverage, exclusions, limits, and claims process. If there's anything unclear, don't hesitate to ask your insurer for clarification. It's important to feel confident that you know what's covered and what's not. Final thoughts. Choosing the right insurance policy isn't always straightforward, but by considering your needs, understanding the types of coverage, balancing premiums and deductibles, and choosing a reputable insurer, you'll be better prepared to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching.